There are many workhorses when it comes to the kitchen. And while cast iron skillets, Dutch ovens and cutting boards are all impressive in their own right, there is perhaps no appliance more sought after than a stand mixer. Since KitchenAid pioneered the concept in 1919, stand mixers have helped mix countless batches of cookies, knead bread dough and whip frosting. And that's before you consider the other tasks possible with attachments that can do everything from spiralizing vegetables to rolling out pasta. With a wide range of stand mixers on the market, we decided to test 9 different popular and highly rated mixers. As we put them through the paces, we discovered the ability to evenly mix ingredients while also handling wet, sticky dough as a key differentiator, ultimately leading us to recommend a pair of appliances that stood out above the mix. Number 5. Cuisinart. Delivering power, precision and performance, our stand mixer features a 5.5 quart capacity with a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. Must-have features: polished stainless steel bowl, tilt-back head and 1 power outlet. For optional attachments included chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout. Also included as an instruction manual and recipe book. Optional attachments and colors: pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder and spiralizer. All colors available in silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen and robin's egg. Limited 3 year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Number 4. Hamilton. Bake with ease. Effortlessly mix thick batters and doughs for bread, cookies and more. With a powerful 300-watt motor, this stand mixer will easily handle the ingredients for all your homemade baked goods, from cupcakes and cookies to hearty bread. Versatile with 7 speeds, slow first speed and mixing guide go from a slow stir to a fast mix with exact control at each speed. A helpful guide on the top of the mixer helps you choose the right speed for the job. The slow first speed is great for kneading bread and reducing splatter when adding dry ingredients to wet ingredients. High speed is great for whipping cream or meringue. Complete bowl coverage. The planetary mixing action rotates the beaters around the included 4-quart stainless steel bowl for even and complete hands-free mixing. The stand mixer has the same rotating mixing action as KitchenAid stand mixers. Includes everything you need in addition to the stainless steel bowl with handles. The stand mixer comes with a splash guard, dough hook, whisk and flat beater. The bowl and the attachments are dishwasher safe. Number 3. KitchenAid. Direct drive transmission. All steel gears, and all metal construction. Multi-purpose attachment hub with hinged hub cover. 5-quart polished stainless steel wide mouth bowl with handle. 450-watt motor. Includes power knead spiral dough hook, flat beater, and stainless steel wire whip. Product dimensions: 11.31 inches dx 14.63 inches wx 16.5 inches H. Material: zinc blade material, stainless steel. Number of speeds: 10. Special feature: manual voltage 120 volts, wattage 450, item weight 25 pounds. Number 2. KitchenAid Power Hub. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center. With more than 15 optional attachments, use the power of your stand mixer to help you make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds and so much more. Professional bowl lift design for sturdy bowl support and stability when mixing heavy ingredients or large batches. The lever smoothly raises the mixing bowl into position for efficient beater to bowl contact. 7QT Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle. Our largest capacity residential KitchenAid stand mixer available. Enough to efficiently mix dough for up to 14 dozen cookies in a single batch. Power Hub. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center. With more than 15 optional attachments, use the power of your stand mixer to help you make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds and so much more. Professional bowl lift design for sturdy bowl support and stability when mixing heavy ingredients or large batches. Number 1. KitchenAid. Over 20 colors available and 10 speed settings. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. Powerful enough for nearly any task or recipe, whether you're stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread dough or whipping cream. Power Hub. Over 12 attachments available. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center. With more than 12 optional attachments, use the power of your stand mixer to help you make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds and so much more. 5-quart stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle. 5-quart stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of bread or 7 pounds of mashed potatoes in a single batch. The bowl is also dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. 59-point planetary mixing action. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. The beater, dough hook or wire whip rotates around the bowl, giving incredible bowl coverage for comprehensive mixing.